Welcome back, my divas! Today, we're going to discover the science of love at first sight. More specifically, smell.
Flowers from a brook.
That's right.
Miss Downs, I'll know where to find you.
In this video, we're going to recreate the famous Smelly t-shirt experiment, explaining how scent influences your romantic choices and some very interesting variables regarding this experiment.
Do you think scent plays an important role when you're choosing a partner?
Oh yeah, for sure. Scent is one of the things, I feel like it's one of the more obvious things that scent is like, it's very overpowering and it's very, like, it's hard to ignore it.
Yeah, well, I don't think it's like conscious, but like, yeah, probably subconsciously.
Yes, I do.
I also think so.
Oh yes, I think so. I don't know exactly why, but it's attractive and you can feel if it's matching with the people or not.
I guess it creates an impression of the person, and if you can't bear the scent, you won't be able to stay with them for long, or have a conversation with them for long, maybe.
Let's start with the basics, the interplay between gender, sex, and attraction. While society often talks about love as purely emotional experiences, science tells us the biological and genetic factor are working behind the scenes. A study published in Nature reviews Genetics explains how genetic diversity, specifically in our immune system genes, can influence us who we are attracted to. Why? It's all about creating the strongest possible offspring. This ties into an evolutionary theory of mate selection. We're subconsciously drawn to people who can offer complementary genetic benefits. Our body has this secret way of communicating. Scientists call it MHC, short for Major Histone Compatibility Complex. Your MHC is a group of genes that help your immune system fight off viruses and bacteria. But these same genes also produce scents that 100% unique to you, kind of like your scent fingerprint. Other people's nose can actually pick up on this too, even if they don't realize it. Remember when Brad Pitt admitted in an interview that he doesn't use soap and relies on natural body wipes?
Showers. Why don't you take them?
Everyone thought it was gross, but here's the catch. One study, famously known as the sweaty t-shirt experiment, researchers asked men to wear a plain t-shirt for 2 days without using deodorant or scent products. Then, women were asked to smell the t-shirts and rank them attractiveness.
And that's 4 out of 6. Congratulations. I'm really very impressed.
The result? Women consistently prefer the scents of the men, those whose immune system gene, or MHC, were most different from their own.
Okay. The first t-shirt smelled better. That one.
I picked this one.
I chose this one. This guy.
MHC compatibility suggests that our nose can detect genetic differences and guide us towards a partner who can help create healthy, genetically diverse offspring. And get this, your brain is in on it too. Another study published in PubMed used brain scans to show how specific brain regions lit up when people smell MHC-compatible scents. In simple terms, your brain is wired to get excited about someone who smells genetically right for you. Also, there are events called pheromone party, where people sniff each other's worn t-shirt to see who they vibe with. Yeah, it's actually a thing. Sounds weird, but it's all based on this. Now, before you go sniffing random t-shirts, let's take a step back and appreciate how amazing this is. Our bodies are constantly sending out subtle signals through scents, body language, and even pheromones that can influence our romantic choices. Now, when your nose is picking up on someone's scent, it's not just about finding a date or finding your match. Looking to find the most compatible partners to make the healthiest baby with. See? When two people with different MHC has a baby, kid gets double a dose of germ-fighting power. It's like nature's way of giving our kids the head start in fighting against nasty bugs. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, I'm not even thinking about having kids. And that's totally fine. But your body is always planning ahead. It's like your nose is trying to set you up for the future success, even if babies aren't on your radar right now. And there's something fun to think about. Your scents can actually change based on your diet. So, does that mean eating certain food could make your smell more attractive? This could be another topic for another time. But talking about tricking someone else's nose into thinking you are the better match than you really are? Ladies, did you know that being on birth control pill can mess up with your nose matchmaking superpower?
And so when we change women's sex hormones, we're actually changing the version of their brain that they are creating.
Birth control tricks your body into thinking it's pregnant. And when that happens, your sense preferences flip. You start liking smells that are more like your family. Why? Because back in the days, when you lived in tribe, being near family meant safety. A study published in Royal Society found that women on pill were more likely to prefer the scent of a man with similar MHC genes. That's fine if you're looking for a buddy, but for genetic diversity, not so much. And here's where it gets tricky. The study also showed that when some women went off de-pilled, they suddenly felt less attracted to their partner. Can you imagine? It's like a real-life reality show twist. So now you know, your nose is more than just a smelling flower or fresh coffee. It's your secret weapon in the game of love. Scent plays a silent but powerful role in attraction. It's a fascinating reminder that love isn't just emotional, it's genetically disposed to a certain extent. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on wellness science and everything in between. Bye!